Welcome to Manifested Publishers.
We have started by saying that we have kingdom Protista. We have said that in that kingdom Protista, we have two categories of organisms. We have Protozoa and we have algae. Algae, they look like plants. They tend to look like plants, but they are not plants. In the Protozoa, we've taken an example of Amoeba, which we have drawn here. Plasmodium, like the one that causes malaria. Then we have the algae, which we are saying they are plant-like. They resemble plants. We have Euglena. We have Chlamydomonas. We can still add to another one that is called Spirogyra. Spirogyra. All those, they are algae. They tend to grow like plants, but we don't call them plants because their characteristics are slightly different from the characteristics of plants. Then we've gone to the characteristics of kingdom Protista. One, we have said that some are unicellular, single-celled, while others are multicellular, many cells. They have many cells. And when we say multicellular means many cells, thalloid means undifferentiated. So we can add there and say multicellular thalloid means many undifferentiated. Many undifferentiated cells. So that's what it means by multicellular thalloid. We have also said that they are eukaryotic, a very, very important factor, a very unique factor there, that they have a nuclear membrane enclosing the nucleus, as we can see from the diagram. A nuclear membrane enclosing the nucleus. So that's what it means by the word eukaryotic. In the previous kingdom, that is kingdom Monera, we had seen the word prokaryotic. Prokaryotic means without the nuclear membrane. So note the difference. There is eukaryotic having the nuclear membrane, and there is prokaryotic without the nuclear membrane. Then we have also said that they have many organelles, such as mitochondria, chloroplasts, and many more, as can be seen from the diagram. But for the case of kingdom Monera, we only saw a few. We only saw a few organelles. So it is important to understand how to compare between the kingdom Protista and the kingdom Monera so that you can be able to understand what are the differences that exist between the two. So we'll stop there for today.
Welcome to Manifested Publishers.